Yo, make some noise for Stranger stepping up next! The man of the hour, the legend, 100,000 subscribers. What a feat, what an accomplishment. It's my honor to hand over the decks to Stranger. Make some noise!
Yo, thank you so much for coming, guys. Give it up for flowanastasia. They killed it just now. Love you guys. I just want to big up everyone that came out tonight. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for supporting my channel. This couldn't happen without you, without my team. I just want to say thank you to the entire Deviant Audio team, Tear Kahoot, flowanastasia, Rick over there is manning the live stream, Cito, my buddy Fringe, who works in the background. So many people to thank. If I forgot anyone, I'm so sorry. But we're gonna do something unprecedented right now. So I think 2 weeks ago, I hit 100K on YouTube, and yeah. And they just sent me the plaque. So, and I actually haven't opened it yet. So like. I'm saving it for today to do like a live unboxing, live stream with all you guys here. So let's just do that right now, and then we'll get back to the music. So.
Whoa!
Thank you so much. This is for you. This is for my entire team. Thank you so much for support. Again, this couldn't happen without you guys. Let's keep doing this drum and bass thing. The drum and bass is about community and family. Say hello to a new friend. It's all about vibes here. Big it up.